Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible, without any effort. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch this video several times. Today, we're going to talk about the United Nations and why the United States played such a key role in creating it. After the horrors of World War II, the world needed a way to prevent another global conflict. In 1945, leaders from 50 nations gathered in San Francisco with a mission to build a new international organization focused on peace, cooperation, and human rights. The result was the creation of the United Nations, and the United States was at the heart of it. The U.S. had emerged from the war as one of the most powerful and wealthy nations in the world. It recognized that international problems, like war, hunger, disease, and conflict, couldn't be solved by one country alone. That's why the U.S. pushed hard for the formation of a global organization where nations could come together and solve problems through diplomacy instead of war. President Franklin D. Roosevelt had envisioned such an organization even before the war ended. In fact, he coined the term United Nations during the war to describe the alliance of countries fighting the Axis powers. When the UN was officially established in 1945, the United States became one of its founding members and a permanent member of the Security Council. This gave the US a leading role in shaping world policy and promoting peace around the globe. But it wasn't just about power. The US wanted to promote democracy, economic development, and human rights. It believed that a more stable and cooperative world would be better for everyone, including Americans. Since then, the United Nations has been involved in humanitarian missions, peacekeeping operations, and major global agreements. From fighting hunger to defending human rights, the UN reflects many of the values that the US has historically supported. In summary, the United States helped create the United Nations because it wanted a safer, more stable, and more peaceful world. It understood that leadership meant responsibility, and that peace is something that must be built together. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's key to mastering English and understanding American culture. Like, share, and help us grow so we can keep making better and better videos for you. See you in the next adventure.